Ketu is the southern node of the moon's axis. The influence of Ketu on a person is based on its position around the moon. It stands for both good and bad influences on one's life. It is also responsible for moksha, which is liberation or freedom, penance, and self realization. We can simply say that this planet promotes the last stage of self actualization and spirituality in a person. One can attain and fulfill his spiritual duties with the help and influence of Ketu in his charts. We can also say that it is the loss of material and worldly pleasures to understand and accept a higher order or awakening in life. When one fails to accept the blessings of this planet, he or she might start feeling confusion, detachment, loss, and a complete lack of understanding. They are risked at going entirely mad or insane. We can pinpoint and say that Ketu tries to bring a person out of the temporary material pleasures that the world has to offer, and instead push him towards developing his spiritual self, which remains permanent in nature. Ashwini, Magha, and Mula are the three constellations that are ruled by it. Supernatural incidences are also associated with the influence of this planet on a particular person's life. Ketu has a flag-shaped body and rises above the sun very often. This is being told by the Matsya Puran, which is one of the 18 Puranas, and is considered the oldest preserved text from Sanskrit literature in Hinduism. Ketu, much like Rahu, also belongs to the demon clan and Dhumravarna. It is considered as the body of Rahu separated by Lord Vishnu during Samudra Manthan. People who are influenced by this planet tend to achieve great heights in terms of spirituality. Apart from that, Ketu grants wealth, good health, and cattle to his worshippers. He brings prosperity and removes the effects of illness and snake bites. He also governs non-attachment, fantasy, psychic abilities, derangement, and intelligence. According to ancient texts and expert astrologers, it is said that Ketu provokes a person to take the extra mile for correcting his behavior and ways of life to achieve the ultimate attainment. This planet focuses on emphasizing the positive qualities on the planets. Mercury, Venus, and Saturn are known to be the friends of Ketu, whereas Jupiter is in a neutral state with it. Sun, Mars, and Moon are the enemies of the planet. The influence of Ketu is seen in Scorpio, and the lack of it is generally observed in Taurus. Gemini, Virgo, Sagittarius, Pisces, and Capricorn are the friendly signs, whereas Leo and Cancer are the enemies. Pisces is overlooked by the planet. Tuesday is considered a very auspicious day for praying to Ketu. Cat's eye is the gem ruled by Ketu, and silver is his metal. It rules the smoke color. Ketu, along with Rahu, is also known as the shadow planet. Ketu has a cycle of 18 years in orbiting and 180 degrees. It rules the Scorpio sign along with Mangal. Together with Rahu, it denotes the intersection paths of the moon and the sun. Hence, they are known as the northern and southern nodes of the moon. Ketu is very responsible for the happening of the eclipse of the moon.